Today we're going to be looking at constructing perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are lines that are at 90 degrees. Just to let you know, AutoCAD in itself does have a snap to perpendicular. However, we are doing geometrical construction, so we have to construct our perpendiculars. So it's going to be 3 simple steps. I'm going to choose a construction line to begin with. And what we want to do is use the arc tool. And here I'm going to select center, start, end. And with the point as center, I'm going to draw an arc. Now this arc will or should be able to cut our given line at two points. So there we have it. Let me just move the text a little bit away. Alright, so what we want to do now, the 2 points that we would have now created with the arc, we're going to use those as centers to describe some intersecting arcs. So I'm going to go back to my arc tool again. And it's going to be using the same start, center, end, center, start, end. Now what I want to do, I want to choose a radius that I could reproduce. So I'm going to look at my distance and just kind of round it off. So it's right now it's in 38. Let's say I'm using 40. Alright, so I'm going to scribe an arc. And then I'm going to do the same thing for my other point. And I'm going to enter my distance again. It must be the same distance twice in order to get the intersecting. Or what happened there? Yes. The arc by default is anti-clockwise. So if I'm drawing the arc, I must start so that I can get the anti-clockwise. So somewhere here, 40, right. So this intersection here is what we want to get. So what we're going to do, draw my line from the intersection to my point, and that will give me the 90 degrees or the perpendicular. So that's a check. I'm going to use my measuring tool, select, make sure angular, select, and there it is at 90 degrees. So these lines are indeed perpendicular. Now we're going to look at another version of constructing perpendicular. This time our point is off of the line, but the construction steps are quite similar. For instance, you are selecting an arc using the arc tool. Make sure you're using the center, start, end, and your start point, of course, would be your point. You are swinging an arc, and you're ensuring that the arc cuts our line at 2 points. Now we're going to use the arc tool again, and these 2 points where our first arc cuts, we're going to use that as center. Now we're going to use a convenient radius. We want them to intersect, so it has to be more than half this distance. So anything in between it that looks like more than half. And we're going to round it off. Let's say 25. All right, and we're going to scribe first arc. We're going to repeat for the second center. This time, I'm going to position my cursor here because remember, the arc scroll works or scribes the arc in anti-clockwise manner. So we use 25, I'm going to use 25 again. And That's my second arc. So now what we want to do, get a line from my point to my intersection of my intersecting arc. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to select it. Now, when these handles are blue, you just position your pointer over it and you will get two options, stretch and lengthen. We're going to choose lengthen, and I'm just going to lengthen my line till it reach to get my perpendicular. And there you have it, perpendicular line from a point above, or in this case off of the line.